Rightly mentioned, so IndusInd Bank, it has delivered a very strong set of numbers for first quarter FY27, signaling that its turnaround story it is actually beginning to gain traction now. While the net interest income that came broadly in line with the street estimates, but the biggest surprise was on the operating front. The operating profit provisions as well as the net profit, they all stood comfortably beating the street expectations, with profit after tax jumping nearly 75% on a sequential basis. Asset quality, it also continues to improve, with their credit cost easing to now 1.74 percentage, reflecting normalization in their microfinance portfolio as well as a lower stress across their key segments that we have witnessed. However, one key metric that remains under watch is their net interest margin. The core net interest margin for this quarter was at 3.35 percentage, down from the 3.39 percentage that we saw in the last quarter, and this has missed the estimates due to higher share of wholesale lending as well as the secured retail loans. While if you see the reported NIMs, they were at 3.57 percentage, enjoying the benefit of a one-time 284 crore rupees of income received from the interest on IT refund. But management has cautioned that margin pressure it could persist in quarter two as well before improving in the second half of FY27. On the growth front, the bank appears to be turning around. Advances have risen nearly 3.3 percentage on a quarterly basis, led by a growth of 7% in the wholesale loans, while the deposits they grew by 3.7 percentage. The management has maintained its FY27 ROA guidance of 1%, with recovery expected to be driven by 60% in the strong operating profits and 40% by the lower credit cost. It is also ruled out any immediate need for the equity raise as it maintains a healthy capital position as of now. Now, talking about the brokerages, they have a mixed view on the stock. MK has given a buy rating, 1200 is a target price, while Motilal Oswal it remains neutral with a target price of 1125, which has been raised, and also Citi has raised its target price but maintains the sell rating. Overall, a strong quarter seen for IndusInd Bank.